Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Wix website to Google search. Let's get started. So in order to do that, what we can do is you can actually just head over in here to our marketing and SEO. Now just click on this one. And then once you have clicked on this, you should be able to see these options right here. Now what we can do is we can actually head over and click on this SEO. So click on SEO right here. And then this will load to this bar right here. Now we have here the search engine optimization. You have here the site performance and all of that, site settings. Now what you can do is just click on the site verification. Now click on this go to site verification, and then this will load again, and then you can see here the Google Search Console. So click on this Google Search Console, and here you can see the site verification tab. Since we don't have that yet, we need to click on this Google Search Console right here. So click on that, and then this will open this new tab right here. Now you can add in your actual domain or your URL with it. So in here, this is my website. I will just copy this URL and I will add this right here. Now that I have done that, click on continue right here, and this will check for verification. So let's just wait for this right here to finish checking. And once it's done finishing checking, you can actually just head over and scroll down until you can see this HTML tag. Now we can see this tag right here. Just click on copy, and then let's head back in here to our Wix dashboard, and then let's just paste it in here. Now click on save right here, and once it's been saved, let's head over again to another tab and click on verify right here. Now this will verify, and this may take a minute. So just relax, and as you can see, ownership has been verified, and we can now go to the property that we have. So by doing this, we should be able to get discovered on our Google search. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.